Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is:
Padwick Logic, a nationwide logistics company, has announced the opening of a new unit of the manufacturing division. Ashley, the HR manager, has been asked to help plan for the creation of the new unit. What related to the task undertaken by Ashley? She is involved in the process of explaining how an employee will execute his or her task. Multiple choice: job rotation, job evaluation, job design, job enrichment, job extension. The answer to the question: the task undertaken by Ashley relates to job design.
Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.